Alright class, so today I'm going to be explaining to you how to complete this worksheet. First, I will do 2 example problems, one of each type of problem I want you to do, and then I have 4 problems that I want you guys to do, and it should only take you about 10 minutes to do this. So let's jump in. I'm only using this software to show you guys how I want you to complete this worksheet. So you don't have to use this or anything. I'll print it out. You can use pen, pencil, whatever you want to do the worksheet. So first, I want you guys to name the molecule. So the way to do this, let's see if I can change the color. Okay. I want you to identify carbons first. So just make a line through them when you count them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So C, 6. Now, the reason I want you to cross through them is because with more complicated molecules, it's easier to make a line through something and say, okay, this is done. I don't need to count it again. So then move on to the hydrogens for this molecule. If it's a molecule with different elements in it, just do those ones. Just make sure you account for every atom in the molecule. So make a line through all the H's for this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So C6, H, and there's 6 of them, so it's H6. And that is all you have to do. So follow the same guideline for these 2 molecules as well. And for these 2, what I want you to do is just simply, let me make this a little bigger. So just, there's a carbon. So you put a carbon in the middle. Oops. Carbon. Oh, that's too big. Okay, carbon. And then there's 4 hydrogens. So, wow, that's a bad arrow. Let's just pretend I didn't do that. So you make 4 bonds for the hydrogens. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you put hydrogen at the end. It's very hard to draw on the computer, so my apologies. And that's it. That's all you have to do for these 2 as well. So good luck, and if you have any questions, let me know and I will try to help you. Thank you.